This is my first task as an intern in the Spark Foundation. In first step, I have imported all the necessary libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, STED models, etc. In the next step, I have imported the data. This you can see this is my data. In the next step, I have checked that any missing value present in my data or not. For that, I have used the code data.isNull.sum. You can see that there is no missing value present in my data. For hours it is 0, for scores it is 0. In the next step, I have generated the descriptive statistics in which mean for hours and score, standard deviation for hours and score, minimum value for hours and score, and maximum value for hours and score. In the next step, I am going to visualize the data. For that, I have used the code in the 6 or 7 step. This graph shows the positive correlation between the percentage score and hours studied by the student. You can see that there is a positive correlation between the percentage score and hours studied. Now I am going to prepare my data for the linear regression model. I have used the code in the step 8, 9, 10, and 11 for a linear regression model. This is the OLS regression result. OLS means ordinary least square regression model. In this whole table, I am going to use the constant 2.4837 and x1 9.7758 for my regression line. Now I am going to plot the regression line. This is the code for that. I have predicted the values. I have compared the actual and predicted values. Now I am going to evaluate the model. For that, I have used the code in this step 15. Now I am going to predict the score for that student who studied 9.25 hour, and the predicted percentage for that student is 92.91%.